What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate spreadsheet updates in GoHighLevel. Start by creating a Google Sheet with the information that you would like to track. So I currently have name, last name, email, and phone. Make sure to give your sheet a name. Next, go into GoHighLevel and click Automation in the left menu. Then select Create Workflow, Start from Scratch. We can then add a trigger like Contact Created. For our action, we are going to type in Google Sheets. Choose your account. For this action, I'm going to create a new spreadsheet row. I'm going to choose my drive and then look for my spreadsheet. We are working with sheet 1. Starting column is name, ending column is phone. I then want to insert values for each column, so go to the right, select contact, first name, then for last name we will do the same. Select last name, email, and phone. Then select Save Action. Now we can test our workflow. So just choose a few contacts to see if everything is working correctly and then run test. Now if we go to our Google Sheet, we will see our contact information in Google Sheets. This allows your spreadsheet to stay updated automatically. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.